Welcome back to Prosperity Foundry, where we forge the path to financial wisdom and business acumen. In today's episode of our Tax and Legal Basics series, we're diving into a crucial topic for any aspiring entrepreneur or creative mind looking to safeguard their dreams: setting up a legal entity, protecting your business. First things first, why should you consider setting up a legal entity? Whether you're starting a crafty Etsy shop, launching a tech startup, or offering freelance services, creating a legal entity can be your first line of defense. It separates your personal assets from your business liabilities. Imagine it as a shield, protecting your home, car, and savings from any business-related legal issues or debts. This doesn't just provide peace of mind, it's a smart, strategic move. Now, when we talk about legal entities, we're primarily discussing structures like sole proprietorships, partnerships, limited liability companies, or LLCs, and corporations. Each comes with its own set of advantages and considerations. Let's break them down. A sole proprietorship is the simplest form. You're the sole owner, and it's easy to set up. But there's a catch. You're personally liable for any debts or lawsuits. This might be fine for a low-risk venture, but as you grow, the stakes increase. Partnerships are similar but involve two or more people. They can be general or limited, each with different levels of liability and involvement. Again, personal liability can be a concern, so knowing your partners well and having clear agreements is crucial. Then, we have the limited liability company, or LLC. This is a popular choice for many small businesses because it offers the liability protection of a corporation with the tax benefits of a partnership. It's flexible, allowing you to choose how you want to be taxed, and it keeps your personal and business assets distinctly separate. Finally, corporations such as C Corps and S Corps are more complex but offer the strongest protection against personal liability. They can raise capital more easily by issuing stock, making them ideal for larger, more ambitious ventures. However, they come with more regulatory requirements and paperwork. All right, so how do you go about setting up one of these entities? The process can vary by location, but generally it involves a few key steps. First, choose a business name. Ensure it's unique and not infringing on any trademarks. Register it with your local government or state office. Next, file the necessary paperwork. For an LLC, this might be articles of organization. For a corporation, articles of incorporation. You'll also need to create an operating agreement or corporate bylaws, which outline how your business will be run. Don't forget to apply for an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business, essential for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. Speaking of taxes, remember that different entities have different tax obligations. An LLC, for instance, might be subject to self-employment taxes, while a corporation faces corporate taxes. Consulting with a tax professional can help you navigate these waters and ensure compliance. Let's talk briefly about the importance of insurance. Even with a legal entity, having the right insurance coverage, like general liability or professional liability insurance, adds an extra layer of protection. It's like wearing a seatbelt even when you're in a car with airbags. Lastly, consider the ongoing responsibilities. Maintaining your entity requires diligence, filing annual reports, paying fees, and keeping detailed records. This is where your conscientious nature comes in handy. Staying organized and up to date not only keeps you compliant, but also positions you for growth. To wrap up, setting up a legal entity is about more than just paperwork. It's about building a solid foundation for your business. It's about protecting your hard work, your creativity, and your future. As you embark on this journey, remember that every successful empire started with a single, well-planned step. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Prosperity Foundry. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and keep prospering.